wettest channel on the internet.
Welcome back, guys, and yep, we're back on the water, but this time the boys are taking out the jet skis. Oh, excuse me, the wave runner. I just want to get the models and brand correctly, but that's just me joking around. I'm still gonna call them jet skis so everybody understands. And talking about joking around, somebody left me a comment on yesterday's video that it made me laugh and said, yep, now we're really the wettest channel on the internet because we're getting wet every day in the afternoon by the rain. And to me that's a little strange because last year we were here also in summertime and we didn't get hit by so many afternoon showers. This year, I don't know what's going on. But like I keep on saying, rain or shine, it's not gonna stop us from going out on the water. And also today's a little strange because we're taking out the jet skis and Gabby didn't want to come. She said she didn't want to deal with the afternoon showers. And I told her I don't think it's gonna happen again because look how bright and pretty the day is. And this is a great feeling when you can get the whole family involved in water activities like we're doing today, even though Gabby didn't come, but I know she loves jet skiing. Maybe next time. Well, to our surprise, as soon as we went under the Punta Rasa Sanibel Bridge, we noticed the surf got a little choppy. So I don't know if we're really gonna go where we're planning to go because we didn't want to bounce around the whole ride. So we have plans today to go to a journey down to Lover's Key, but it's so choppy outside that we decided to stay inbound. So we're actually behind Sanibel because over here the island blocks the wind, so we're just hanging out in a semi-flat surf, and there's a few people out here enjoying the same thing with the same idea we have. Because yeah, it gets kind of annoying to be out there hopping around, you know. So today we want to relax a little bit. So I guess it's time to start some lunch because it is really late. So let's go on the lunch show. Hey, oh. And while I get the barbecue ready for some food time, let's check out what the rest of the people here are doing at Sanibel Bay. And by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and take this time to answer a comment or a question that I received, and it's about the commercials. Well, there's no way I could control the commercials that are posted on my videos. That is done through Google and YouTube. And well, like you can see, everybody's having a chillaxing time here at Sanibel, while Ogita's playing with the shells, like usual. All right, it's time to do barbecue check. Guess what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Boom. Nope, no sausages. We're actually having frozen pork chops. They're so frozen that I couldn't take them apart. So we're gonna let the barbecue defrost them and then I'll season them because they're not coming apart. And today turned out pretty cool. Even hopefully we don't go wet again. because there's some few gray clouds around us like usual, the West Coast weather. But it's all good though. We're still gonna hang out here and enjoy the rest of the day. Do a frozen pork chop check. See how the defrosting process is going. Well, I guess they're cooking and defrosting at the same time. It's gonna be interesting, I guess. I wonder how they're gonna taste. Oh, I guess just a little bit of salt to do the trick. Normally that's what we do with pork anyway, so we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. So I'm starting to feel like the West Coast is either eating on the boat or getting wet on the boat. So I guess today we're eating on the boat and hopefully we're gonna get wet again. All right, let's check the process. Let's check the process. Boom. Look at that right there. It's coming along pretty good. Coming along pretty good. You. Yeah, a lot of people say that West Coast has a lot of pontoons, but also they have a lot of catamarans that usually drive around really fast. And while driving around, Fresquito and Joel found our friend Alex from Cape Coral. And Joel and Fresco came back just in time because the pork chops are ready. So far so good. We're having a great relaxing time here at Sanibel on the Bayside. But I noticed that our friend, the rain, is starting to peak its cloudy nose in our relaxing business here. Starting to look like an everyday thing. Look at this, rain again. So what are we gonna do? Get wet from the sky, Mother Nature. Baby gave us a lot of seaweed in the water. But well, this time Mother Nature got us by surprise because within 5 minutes or so, it got really cloudy, really windy, and really scary. And the question we're asking ourselves is, are we gonna stay here and weather it out, or go ahead and try to beat the rain and make it back? Well, we decided to take our chance and try to beat the rain, even though it was coming at us really fast. Okay, we were trying our best to find our way back, but it was getting scarier because you can only see about 100 feet in front of you. So I didn't want to hit a marker or a boat, so we decided to weather out under the bridge.
We were caught in a massive hurricane, perfect storm, everything. What you want? Crazy. Woo. It's cold, it's windy, it's gray, it's raining, it's wet, it's everything. You're here. We're anchored. You guys got it? You got it? Okay, we're anchored. Here, you want a rope? You want a rope? Rope! No, don't go to the water. There's a lot of current here. Another perfect storm. Oh boy. So how is it? How is it? How does it feel? How does it feel? She's going overboard. She's going overboard. It's really ugly out there.
So we stayed under the bridge about 30 minutes or so and decided that when it eased up a little bit, we were going to take our chances and ride back. Well, our plan paid off because the rain eased up and it started to clear up. And I don't know what's going on, but I think Mother Nature tried to teach us a lesson today because it rained really hard with lots of lightning and heavy winds. And I think the lesson is get up earlier to go on the boat because I'm gonna get you in the afternoon. Or maybe it's a sign for Gita to get up earlier to go boating with us. And honestly, I'm to the point that it doesn't really bother me anymore because this is like the 10th time that we get soaked on the boat. This kind of reminds me when I used to be a kid and I used to ride my bike through the puddles. And I guess now I'm doing the same thing, but with my kids and me as an adult. But instead of using my bike, I'm using the boat and the kids are using the jet skis. After all, Mother Nature kinda gave us a surprise because it gave us a beautiful sunset and with a rainbow. And well, I learned a lesson today. It doesn't matter how perfect and beautiful things are, there's always going to be a bump on the road or a dark cloud to slow you down. But there's always sunshine and light at the end of the tunnel. And well, to be honest too, I didn't think today was going to rain, but they say life is full of surprises and we got another one today.